Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming wall type and finding a stud or choosing anchors. This matters because weight support differs. Measure your monitor's VESA pattern and locate the ideal viewing height, then mark the center line. Once done, use a level and tape measure to mark 2 mounting holes with 1/2 accuracy. Accurate marks prevent a tilted display. Make sure to have screws, anchors, and a drill ready so you can move into drilling without interruption. Now you drill pilot holes at the marks, using the bit matched to your anchors. This reduces splitting and ensures a snug fit. For masonry, hammer in anchors. For studs, use wood screws directly. Once anchors are seated, mount the wall plate and partially tighten screws, then check with a level to confirm alignment. Adjust before final torque. Tighten fully but don't over-torque, as stripping reduces holding power. Keeping the bracket level prevents stress on the monitor. Hang the monitor on the bracket and secure with the VESA screws, following the recommended torque so you avoid damage. You then route power and signal cables through ties or a cable channel to remove pull from the connection. This prevents accidental dislodging. Test tilt, swivel, and firmness. Make small adjustments to leveling screws as needed. If the mount feels unstable, remove the monitor and check anchors. Replace with stronger anchors or move to a stud to resolve looseness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.